唔係太年輕嘅各位，我今日咧想同大家分享一啲英文嘅潮語，就係 Gen Z slang。其實咧有唔少 Gen Z 嘅潮語咧都係嚟自黑人文化嘅。咁今日睇下呢啲潮語真正嘅意思係咩？Fire 呢一個形容詞代表好出色、好正同埋高質素。嗰首新歌超正啊！我不斷重複咁聽。That new song is fire. I've been playing it on repeat. Lit 亦都係一個形容詞，最初咧佢係代表飲醉酒，咁之後咧已經變咗做出色或者精彩。你一定要去啊！嗰個 party 一定好精彩。You have to go. That party is going to be lit. Mid 都係一個形容詞，代表一般、唔出色或者令人失望的。嗰間日本餐廳好一般咯，我都唔知點解大家咁瘋狂。That Japanese restaurant is so mid. I don't get the hype.Riz 係一個名詞，代表魅力或者吸引力。咁佢嘅全寫咧其實係 charisma。咁呢一個字咧係 Riz。你真係好需要加強你嘅魅力。You seriously need to work on your Riz。Aid 同埋 slay 都係動詞，代表表現好出色或者做一件事做得好好。喺嗰套戲裏面，佢嘅表現真係好出色，佢真係好識得做戲。She slayed in that movie. That woman can act。而 slay 嘅第二個意思咧就係外表好吸引，有啲似我哋廣東話嘅靚到殺死人。Slay, you look incredible in that dress。咁頭先講過 ate 同埋 slay 咧都有表現得好出色嘅意思。咁但係原來 ate 有一個加長版嘅就係 ate and left no crumbs， 有啲似我哋廣東話嘅冇碎花。你有冇睇嗰場比賽啊？佢嘅表現簡直係完美啊 ！Did you watch the match? He ate and left no crumbs。No cap 呢個係一個獨立句子嚟嘅，代表不是說謊，因為 cap 係大話。咁個意思咧就有啲似係講真嘅，同埋唔係誇大。有啲似我哋廣東話嘅講堅，咁佢嘅同義詞咧就係 for real 或者 no lie， 亦都好常見嘅。This is the best burger I've ever had. No cap。bussin 係一個形容詞，代表好出色或者好好食。如果超級好食或者超級出色咧，我哋可以將佢成義嘅 bussin'。This fried chicken is bussin'bussin'。教完呢一課之後，我覺得自己後生咗，大家有冇同感呢？學到新嘢記住幫手 like、comment 同埋 share。如果你想揾一個私人英文補習老師，就記住私信我啦。